KRONE EasyCut B950. Collect is a high-performance rear-mounted disc mower combination designed for efficient mowing and swathing of large areas. This powerful machine features a 9.45-meter working width, allowing for rapid coverage of fields. Its compact and lightweight design ensures maneuverability on sloping terrain, while massive augers efficiently merge large volumes of crop into clean and uniform swaths. The EasyCut B950 Collect incorporates hydraulic controls for precise adjustment of cutting height and swathing options. The KRONE EasyCut B950. The Tubeline Pitbull Rake is a versatile agricultural tool designed to efficiently move large quantities of material across a bunker silo. With a combination of a dozer blade and a bucket, this rake can both push and carry material. It features a large push plate for efficient piling, solid tines for excellent material handling, and bale spears for increased carrying capacity. Available in 8, 10, and 12 widths. The Pitbull rake is built with heavy-duty construction and a 2-year warranty, making it a reliable and durable tool for various agricultural tasks, including silage handling, hay handling, and dirt snow removal. The Pitbull rake is designed with high visibility in mind. The Garford RoboCrop Hinrow Weeder is a precision agricultural tool that utilizes camera-guided steering and a variety of weeding tools to control weeds within crop rows. High-resolution cameras capture real-time images, which are analyzed by algorithms to identify crop rows and individual plants. The steering system then adjusts the tractor's path to maintain accurate in-row positioning, while weeding tools, such as rotary hoes or inter-row cultivators, target and remove weeds with minimal crop damage. This technology reduces reliance on herbicides, enhances operational efficiency, and improves crop quality by minimizing weed competition. The RoboCrop In-Row Weeder. The Agrifac Condor Mountain Master is a high-performance self-propelled sprayer, specifically designed for challenging terrains, such as steep slopes and hilly areas. Key features include the Mountain Master system that levels the sprayer on slopes up to 32%, high ground clearance for various crop heights, and large tank capacities for extended working hours. Advanced technologies like Stabilo Plus, Stricthy Plus, and Balance Plus ensure optimal stability, precise boom height, and consistent spray application. Wide boom options and high flow rates enable efficient coverage of large areas, while a comfortable cab. The HolmerMaschinenbau Terra DOS T4 is a high-performance self-propelled sugar beet harvester designed for maximum efficiency and gentle handling of the crop. It boasts a powerful 626 HP engine, a working width of 4.05 meters, and a harvesting capacity of up to 100 tons per hour. Equipped with a 30 cubic meter tank, hydrostatic drive, and advanced steering systems, the Terra DOS T4 ensures stability, maneuverability, and precise row following. The SaMASZ Mammoth 860 is a heavy-duty flail mower designed for demanding agricultural and municipal applications. Boasting a working width of 8.00 to 8.60 meters, 72 flails, and a minimum power demand of 215 HP. It features a heavy-duty construction, adjustable mowing height, hydraulic side shift for precise control, and replaceable counter knives for extended durability. This powerful machine excels in tackling dense vegetation. The GRIMME Prios 440 is a versatile potato planter equipped with 4 planting elements for high capacity and a 3,500 kg tipping hopper for extended planting periods. It features adjustable row widths, precision planting mechanisms like electric, high-frequency shakers, and individually spring-loaded covering discs, and user-friendly controls. With isobus compatibility, the Prios 440 is built with durability in mind, ensuring long-lasting performance. In demanding field conditions, this efficient planter optimizes seed placement. The John Deere C770 cotton harvester is a high-performance machine equipped with a powerful 515 HP engine, capable of harvesting 12 rows of cotton. It features advanced technology, including the Gen 44600 Command Center display, 4-track automatic steering, and harvest stock data recording. The spacious cab provides a comfortable and quiet environment for the operator, while optimized picking units and efficient cleaning systems minimize losses and maximize yield. Fuel efficiency is enhanced through optimized engine. The HORSCH Focus 6DT is a trailed seed drill with a 6-meter working width, equipped with a double hopper for seed and fertilizer, hydraulic folding for transport, and 20/40th seed coulters. It offers precise seed placement with individual coulter pressure adjustment and large diameter press wheels for optimal seed-to-soil contact. The Focus 6DT requires a tractor with 400 horsepower and features isobus control for easy operation and data management. This high-performance seed drill